We are here for Thermomix Thursday, and I love Thermomix Thursdays because I get to show you what I am loving about my machine, my new machine. Yesterday, I turned on my machine and there was a new feature on it. I hadn't even run an update, and this is what I love so much, is that because it's Wi-Fi and they do any updates, they automatically appear on your machine, which is phenomenal. You don't have to upgrade your machine to get the latest model because it all comes into this current model. So yesterday we got a new chop feature function, and it is awesome. And what it allows you to do is use the machine. It's just helping you use the machine more manually. Okay, so what I wanted to show you today, I want to show you that chop function and how they've set it up for all different types of foods that you might be chopping. And then what I'm doing with it for my limes, because my lime tree is absolutely abundant. I've got limes falling off, and I love having limes all year round. But as you know, they're only seasonal. It's the same with lemons. And so when I have an abundance of limes, normally I grate these and wrap them up, but using my Thermomix, it is so much easier. So my name is Whit Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living. And today I'm doing that with my Thermomix and showing you the new chop feature, which has just appeared on my machine. Okay, so I will put you down. Okay, so to find the different functions on your machine, you just swipe over, and this is your scales, your dough, your turbo, pre-clean. I've done a video on that before, but this is the new chop feature. And what they've done, as I said, is to try and make it so that you can to help you use your machine more manually. Okay, so they've got apples, beef. So if you've got meat or chicken, because I've got a chicken function as well, do you wanting to make it into mince? Then you can click on that, and you've got 300 grams or you've got 500 grams, and it'll tell you to go 10 seconds at speed 8. So awesome. Breadcrumbs, coffee beans, if you grind your own coffee beans, crushed ice for pina coladas or for smoothies, dark chocolate, herbs. And so what they've got here is fruits and vegetables, herbs and spices, meat and poultry, and chocolate and nuts. So let's go into chocolate. They've got dark chocolate, milk chocolate, nuts, different types of nuts. So they've really thought about everything and helping you use this machine manually as well. Now what I'm going to do is go into the herbs and spices, because I have got I'll just lift you up again so you can see me. So I've got my lime rind here. All I've done is use my peeler, lime rind, taken it off and put it into a bowl. So I used to manually grate this, which was very time consuming. Okay, so I'm putting my lid on. I'll put you down again. And I reckon this is probably about the same, because they don't have one for lime, but obviously. I'm doing it rosemary. So it's going to say 10 seconds, speed 8. So I already set up at 10, and all I've got to do is flick this round to speed 8. And 10 seconds is done, and that would have taken me like so long. And so as you can see, grated, rinded. I actually will do that a little bit more because I like it even more a bit fine. But as you can see, super fast. And then all I do is put it into a plastic bag and put it in the freezer. And then when I need it in recipes, I just pull it out and it just breaks apart. So it's just so easy. Then with the lime, I will juice that and put it into ice cube trays, freeze them, and then put them into a bag. So all year round, I have got lime juice and lime rind. But now with my Thermomix, it is even so much quicker and easier. So tell me, do you, is this what you do with your citrus? Do you love to have lime and lemon all year round, or are you more of a seasonal? And let me know if you've got a Thermomix. Did you know that this feature, this chopping feature, was in your on your machine? Okay, thanks for joining me, and I will look forward to seeing you next week. See ya.